So right now I'm going to show you all the essential oils that I'm making for these candles. Okay, here is the Crisco that I purchased. I think I got about 3 big ones and then like one little small one to make at least 8 candles. And these are the size candles that I have, that I'm going to be making. I'm going to add gifts inside. Inside the black bag was gifts. Make sure you got a pot of hot water. You want your mica powder. I got the metallic mica powder. I think it cost me about $10, which was cool because I got every color. It's going to make my candles a rich metallic color. This is my I guess the pot that I could put the Crisco in to melt it. Those are the adhesives that go on the wick at the bottom of the wick to stick inside the candles, that have them sticking straight up and they will not go anywhere. Perfect. Okay. And then these are the wick holders to hold the wicks in place. Awesome. So I'm just showing you all how I put the Crisco in the container. The container, I really love this little container. It melts really quick. And again, those are the essential oils that I'm using. But yeah, like I said, the container heats up really quick. Here I am getting ready to pour the Crisco while it's melted into a clear container. So I'm able to add the color and the essential oils together and just mix it. Okay, so we're gonna do the yellow. Okay, we're gonna do yellow. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of yellow in here. I guess just a little bit to see if it will change yellow. Let's see how it's gonna do. Yes. Ooh, it's a metallic yellow. It's a metallic yellow, y'all. So, okay, we're gonna use the orange chiffon cake scent. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I literally got this stuck on my nose, and I was just smelling in the air all day. It was stuck on my nose from smelling the top of it, but this stuff right here smells so good. The orange chiffon cake, and it's gonna go into the yellow metallic base. It's gonna be at the bottom of the candles. I already put the wicks in there and everything like that. So yeah, the wicks are already in there, and they're not long like I thought. But what I'm gonna do is just make it where it looks good, because the gift is gonna also go inside here. That's why I'm doing the base, the bottom of the candles. All right. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and pour this at the base, and hopefully you all can see here what it's gonna look like. Wicks are falling apart, like they're actually moving. So my wick holders is not small enough to go inside to hold them. So I would have to find a way just to get them to stand up somehow, so they could be standing inside. All right. Here's a good view of the candle holder with the sticky adhesive for the bottom of the candle wick with the holder to hold it in place. And then I'm making the shortening with the Mecca powder in it with some essential oils. I use lemon sugar and dark embrace. And I'm just going to pour it into here. Let's try to get it in here because it's weird. I think this would do one whole candle. Wow, that did one whole candle. Yeah, so it filled up this whole candle. I think this is about probably a 6 ounce, maybe, I'm not sure, probably a 5 or a 6 ounce candle. Okay. I had to use rubber bands to hold the wicks together inside of the candles because the candles are really, really big, and the wick holders wouldn't fit. So yeah, but these are also the gifts in the inside. I just rubbed them in foil paper, and now I'm going to start the other half of the candle. So once they melt it, they will be able to get at a certain time, which will be a little later than Christmas, and that's fine because the gift is sent and a gift. Alright, so okay, you guys, so I noticed that when I put my smaller candles in the refrigerator, they got hard so quickly, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna add them to the refrigerator once I'm done with the base, which is holding down the jewelry in inside the candles to make sure that they don't float, because if they're floating, they're not gonna look right. But please use the refrigerator. The refrigerator made my candles so beautiful, and this is right out the refrigerator. Exactly right out the refrigerator. I got my lighter and lit it, and this is what they look like. And they are Christmas presents this year, and they turned out to be so cute. I cannot believe how easy this was, and oh my gosh, I love science and I love to be creative, and this was very, very creative. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave some comments below if you want to know anything. It was simple stuff, but these candles turned out to be great. Please subscribe to my channel so we can stay friends. Bye, you guys.